Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said, because I'm Rhonda and I love saying stuff. I got my base on, I got my blush on, I've got my bronzer on, I've got my eyebrows on, I got it going on. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I spent time at the pool today getting my freckles on, and I thought I would do a fun look with a palette from a fantastic company called Drizzle, and this is the sequel palette. It's hard to catch their stuff in stock because it's so fantastic. Look at these they're all shimmers. Look how beautiful they are. I'm going to try to do something simple with this palette. I've kept my face pretty, neutral and natural, so I could go completely unnatural with these colors. Oh my god. Like duochrome right there. Just the shimmers are just amazing. And this color Sugar Butter is like my favorite. And then Sugar Cakes dipped in sugar. It's all sugar. All this stuff is called sugar something. So let's get in here and do some damage. Oh, some makeup damage. I'm feeling extremely goofy. I've been feeling pretty goofy lately. My world has gotten a lot more simple, which is fantastic, which means, like, my life is not full of drama, but some of the people I love have drama in their lives. And it's been wonderful being able to help my friends when they are in need. I'm glad to be there for them. Don't forget, I've got a giveaway going on, the birthday giveaway. You can look for the video and find out all the ways to enter. This is Sugar Cakes, and I'm going in here with a fluffy brush. Look at that. That's so pretty. It is a duochrome. And it's pink with a green gold shift. It might be a multi-chrome. I'm terrible with that kind of stuff. I just think it's beautiful. And Ruby is making all kinds of cute noises in the background. She's got herself in a little box right now. And it's pretty damn adorable because she's a big old kitty. And she found a little box to get into. And now she's trying to worm her way out. She just makes the best noises ever. So much for simple. This is not to look at, but look at that shimmer. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. Sugar Drizzle is where it's at. And the prices aren't bad. I don't even remember what I paid for this palette because I've had it for a minute, but I thought, you know what? I need to pull some real shiny shit out because it's July and it's fun. And I'm down to have some fun. I'm going to go into Sugar Butter, my favorite right here. Ruby, what's up? It's a little chunky. It's so pretty. And this has got more of a fuchsia to it. But it looks really nice. I wish you could see the fuchsia. Can't really see it in this light. The way Sugar Cakes and Sugar Butter go together is pretty spectacular. And it's a shame that the cameras can't capture everything. It just looks pretty. It's so pretty. It's so shimmery. I love it. Just a spoonful of shimmer makes... That's enough of that. That looks very similar. So let's go into some deeper colors, like, let's go into Dipped in Sugar. to go with my finger and go. Oh my God, that's insane. That is like a white that shifts green, like a lime green. That looks spectacular. I need a tissue. I'm having a tissue issue. It's so pretty. I'm just the shimmeriest girl in the world. I am one shimmer hoe. And then I'm going to go into Sugar Drops, this purple here. I think this is just a plain old shimmer. I was wrong. It's at least a duochrome. But it's a very pretty purple. That's showing up a little bit. I have the shiniest eyes. Like, I just can't even get over how shiny this is. But you know, sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't. I totally feel like a shimmer nut tonight. Or this morning, whenever you're watching it. I think I'm done. That's a lot of shimmers. Shimmer me timbers. I'm a pirate. Yes, indeed. Yes, sirree. And I'm crooked. I'm crooked, but it's okay. So let's put some liner and mascara on, and I'll be right back. Voila, we have mascara and liner on, and that really pulls everything together. It takes a little, makes the shimmer a little more tolerable. And I'm going to put on a pretty pink lipstick. It's kind of a raspberry. It's kind of a hot raspberry. And this is Super Matte Stay Ink number 410, which is called Party Goer. I feel like I'm going to a party. That looks so pretty. I feel so festive. I feel so pretty and witty and gay. And I pity anyone that doesn't feel this way. Well, thanks so much for being with me as I put on all the shimmers in the world from the Sugar Drizzle, the sequel palette. It's very cool. I definitely, if you like duochromes, multichromes, and shimmers that just can't be beat, check out Sugar Drizzle. They're fantastic. And we'll see you real soon.